asalaamu calaykum daawade ma u baahan tahay inaad luqadda ingiliishka baratid ma ku dhib qabtaa inaad heshid qof aad practice la samaysid ama wada sheekaysi conversation la samaysid inta badan ardada marka ay luqadda ingiliishka baranayaan ardayna waxay helaan iskool arday ay practice la sameeyaan ama conversation la sameeyaan dadka qaarna ma helaan waxaan ku hayaa maanta website aad practice la samayn kartid oo artificial intelligence ah dabcan websitekaas waxaa la yidhahdaa sisem.com linkiga waxaa idiin soo dhigi doonaa hoos uma baahanaysid inaad raadisid qof aad practice la samaysid keliya waxaa u baahan doontaa casharaad heli doontaa annagana waa naga heli kartaa casharo duuban somteach waa ka heli kartaa nala soo xiriir si casharadaas aan ku siino iyo buugaagtii aad luqadda ingiliishka ugu baran lahayd then waxaa u baahanaysaa websiteka gmailka ku xiran doontaa websiteka waa idin tusi doonaa balse marka hore waxaan idinla wadaagayaa muuqaal kooban oo aan conversation symbol ah wada sheekaysi symbol ah kula yeelanayay websitekaas bal marka hore aan dhegaysanna si fiican aan u dhegaysanna muuqaalkaas.
Hi Ashraf, what's up?
Hello Maya, good morning again.
Morning. How are you doing today?
Just fine. As you know,
Fine what?
I teach my
what
YouTube and TikTok students English language. So today, let's have a simple dialogue or simple chatting so that I can teach my students.
Oh, got it. So you want us to do a natural chat, something you can record for your TikTok and show your students? Easy.
Yeah.
What should we talk about?
Yeah, let's talk.
All right, I'm in. What's on your mind today?
First, I will ask you
Anything interesting happen?
Yeah, first I will ask.
Lay it on me. What's the question? I'm listening.
Okay, I will ask you very
Take your time. No rush.
Okay.
Perfect. Keep it simple.
I will ask you very
Go ahead.
simple questions, like just how are you?
Sounds. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Just hanging out, ready for whatever conversation we get into. What about you? How are things going today?
Just fine. Where do you live?
That's a classic opening. I don't really live anywhere in the way you do. More like I exist everywhere at once. I'm hosted in data centers, basically. Does that make sense?
Good to hear. That makes sense. What's your nationality?
Good question. I guess you could say I'm multinational. My creators are all over the US and the technology is pulled from so many sources. But if I had to pick, maybe digital?
Good. Super to hear that.
What's your next question for your students?
Very exciting. What do you
Something
advise?
exciting happened?
Yeah, what will you advise my students
Advise about?
generally?
I'd tell your students to stay curious. Don't be afraid to ask questions, even if they seem silly. And don't be afraid to make mistakes when learning English. That's how everyone improves. Oh, and read lots of books or watch movies. Basically, soak up as much real-world language as possible.
That's good advice. Let's talk about
Thanks.
generally English skills. The 4 English skills like writing, reading, speaking, and listening. Let us talk about the advantage of these skills.
Oh, the 4 skills. Nice topic. Let's start with reading. I'd say being a good reader unlocks a lot of doors. Not just for English, but for knowledge in general. Builds your vocabulary, your understanding of how language works, everything really. What do you tell your students about why reading is important?
Yeah, I will teach my students that the reading is very important. So whenever a student reads a lot, he understands a lot, so that we know that the reading is very, very good for my students. What about speaking?
Perfect. You got the reading part down. Speaking is tough for a lot of learners. I always think of it as the one that's hardest to avoid screwing up. You can think through writing, you can pause and correct yourself when listening, but speaking it just happens. The good part is it's also the one they'll probably use the most in everyday life, right?
Yeah, that's right. Now, what about
What are your thoughts on
what about
writing, you
writing?
mean?
Yeah,
Okay, so for writing, it's like practicing your presentation skills. You can really fine tune how you want to be perceived. Good writing creates a lasting impression, whether it's a formal report, an email, or even a short text message. When students focus on writing, I think it helps them understand the language at a deeper level. You can't really write well if you don't understand how it works. What do you emphasize about writing in your classes?
yeah. Writing in class, the students can learn to dictate words, so they will learn a lot about writing. So whenever they write something, they are able to write a lot. So they can write books, they can write a lot of things. That's very interesting. And now let us talk about listening. How do you think? Why is
Sounds
listening
good.
very important?
Listening, that's the foundation, isn't it? If you can't understand what's being said, nothing else really matters. It's also the most passive skill, which ironically is both a blessing and a curse. You can improve just by surrounding yourself with English, podcasts, music, conversations. The hard part is really processing what you're hearing without getting overwhelmed by speed and pronunciation.
Good, thanks. Today, Maya, that's enough for us today. I will teach my students these areas. Thank you very much.
Awesome. That was a great practice run. I'm glad I could help with your TikTok video. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, you will know. Thank you very much.
You got it. Have a good one, Ashton.
Okay. Ashton, not Ashton. It's Ashraf, yeah? Say it well.
Ah,
Ashraf.
Ashton. Got it.
Not Ashton. Ashraf.
Thanks for the correction, Ashton.
Not
Got it
Ashton.
right now.
Not Ashton. Ashraf.
Ashraf.
Yeah, Ashraf.
Ashton. Got it this time.
Not Ashton. Yeah?
Thanks for being patient with the name. All right. Good to finally get the name right.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
dabcan waxaan filaya inaad muuqaalka si fiican u fahanteen dhagaysateenna markan waxaan isla arki doonaa hadduu ilaah yidhaahdo website-kii ayaan idin tusi doonaa linkigana waxaan idin soo dhigi doonaa hoos website-ka sisem.com waa kan halkan u yaallaa dabcan linkiga waxaa idiin soo dhigayaa qaybta hoose marka aad furatid wax kale ma dhihi doontid waxaad ku dhufan doontaa try preview now halka ay ku qoran tahay halkana click siin doontaa then waxaa kusoo bixi doona Maya iyo Miles. Maya waa gabar, Milesna waa nin, marka midkaa doontid ayaa la sheekeysanaysaa. Website-kan waxaa u baahan tahay keliya inaad waxaa la rabaa inaad ka faa'iidaysataan oo aad practice luqadiina Ingiriiska inay fast noqoto, aniga iyo idinka oo dhammaanteen inaan luqada Ingiriiska si fiican u barano. Uma baahanaysid maanta laga bilaabo in cid aad la kaashatid, arday aad dhex tagtid, conversation la samaysid. qolkaaga isku soo xir habeen iyo maalin practice samey luqada Ingiriiska baro. That's very easy. Salaam